I'm Jordan. Welcome back to Common Thread. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 free PDF patterns that you can download today and get sewing. These are all sewing patterns that have been tried and tested by the sewing community, so you can hop over to Instagram and check out all of these hashtags when you're done and get yourself inspired. Now let's get right into it. 10 free sewing PDF patterns. The first one we have is the Stellan tee by French Navy. This is a really cute, simple jersey knit t-shirt. It has like a nice high crew neck and quite like squared off sleeves. I really like this. It's a very simple top. It would be a great upcycle if you were using a t-shirt a few sizes too large for you and then sizing that down. You can reuse the collar, you can reuse the sleeves, etc, etc. The next one we have is also from French Navy, and this is the Orla Dress. This is a really cute, simple t-shirt style dress. It's quite a simple construction, so if you're new to dress sewing, this would be a really great one for you to tackle. So it has a couple of darts and I think it has a zipper in the back, but definitely doable for a new-ish sewist. Would also be a great one to put into your wardrobe to sort of transition you from winter to spring and then into summer, because you can definitely pair this with like a pair of tights or a cardigan and wear it multiple seasons. The third is the Lawley dress by Elbe. I'm gonna say Elbe Textiles, let's go with that. They have a bunch of really great patterns, and right now they have a men's t-shirt pattern, but they also have the Lawley skirt, which is so cute. It's just like a simple gathered waistband with a little tie, but it has pockets. It's one you could do with a bunch of different fabrics, would be really cute in like a thrifted sheet fabric if you could find one that you liked. It would be a great clothing piece to start on if you're gonna try out doing like a waistband and everything. This would be a really good one to try out. Number 4 is by Sara, Kristen, and this is the Morning Glory top. So for this one, you do have to sign up for her email, I think, but it's a really cute, really simple pattern. It's a reversible tie shirt, so you can tie it in the front or the back. It is going to be a little bit low in the front or in the back depending on which way you tie it. So if you're someone who's a little more conservative, you may want to wear like a bandeau or a little bralette under it, or even a tank top. Also perfect for a beach cover up if you're looking for something like that. And I have seen people extend the tie so that you can wrap it sort of all the way around and tie it in the back, and that would give you a little more coverage if that's something that you're concerned about. So go check that one out as well. And I have 3 patterns by Peppermint magazine because they definitely release the best free sewing patterns on the internet, in my opinion. So the first is the Pendulum top.
So I'm going to stop myself right there and explain that my whole life I've thought that peplum tops were actually pronounced pendulum tops until I had to type it out while making this video and realized that that is definitely not what it's called.
Now this one is in my queue for sewing for my trip to Greece later on this year. It's very cute, very simple, your traditional pendulum top. It's a sleeveless top with a nice ruffle at the bottom. This is something that you can do in a lot of different fabrics, and I think it would turn out really cute in all of them. The next pattern is the ruffle sleeve top, and that is actually what I'm wearing right now. I sewed this out of a old thrifted sheet that I got a few years ago, and I just love it. The ruffles are so fun, and it's sort of a nice like boxy top, but it does have some darts in the side. The only thing that I would say is with this pattern, if you're above like an A cup, I would say you probably want to extend the lining. I would say like at least an inch. If you're like, I would say like half an inch depending on what size you are. So like half an inch for B, an inch for a C, etc, etc. That would be my only suggestion. But I do really love this top, and they walk you through doing French seams, which is really a fun way to do it, especially if you don't have a serger. French seams are the way to go for finishing your seams, in my opinion. And the third one, also from Peppermint magazine, are the spring shorts. These are really cute. I keep seeing them pop up, and I'm definitely going to be making a pair out of this like gauzy cotton that I have. They're a really simple construction. They do have pockets and a simple little drawstring and paper bag waist. So lots of fun little details to sort of like up your sewing game. I just want to say Peppermint has a whole bunch of other really great sewing patterns, so definitely browse through there. Number 9 is the Sorbetto top by Collette. This is a really beautiful top. It comes in 3 versions, so you can have like a t-shirt sleeve or just a regular sleeveless top, or it also has like a longer tunic style. So this is really pretty. It has this sort of fold in the front, really cute, and Collette always has such impeccable instructions in her pattern, so this is definitely one. I wouldn't say that this is like a beginner pattern, but I mean, honestly, if you've done like 2 or 3 garments before, this would be doable for you, for sure. Number 10 is the Monroe Turtleneck by Tasuti, I think is how you pronounce that. They're a blog written by 2 women online, and they produce these lovely patterns, and the Monroe is one of their free patterns, and it is really beautiful. So many people have made it online. You might be able to squeeze it in before the end of winter to get this one worn, or you can stick it in your queue for next winter. So those are my 10 patterns for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. That would help me out immensely. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.